Easy Close is a function that allows you to close the door with a button. When boarding the vehicle, if you approach within 1 meter of the vehicle while holding the smart key, all outer door handles automatically pop up, and you can pull them to open the doors. If unlock when approaching is not set, when you touch the side sensor on the driver's door handle while carrying the smart key, all outer door handles automatically pop up, and you can pull them to open the doors. After boarding the vehicle, press the close button on the center console, or the button on the door trim, or depress the brake pedal to automatically close the doors. Even if you start driving with the doors open, the doors automatically close and lock. When getting out, turn off the engine and press the button on the door trim to open the door. After getting out, touch the sensor on the side of the outside door handle to close the door, and then touch it again to lock the vehicle. Alternatively, when the lock button on the smart key is pressed and held for more than 3 seconds when the engine turned off, the doors will automatically close and lock. In case of a crash, the outer door handles automatically pop up and switch to manual mode, allowing the doors to be opened without electricity. When entering the vehicle with a dead battery, manually pop out the door handle by pressing the front part of the handle. Remove the cover, insert the emergency key into the keyhole, turn it counterclockwise, and unlock the door. You can then open the door by pulling. When getting out of the vehicle with a dead battery, you can open the door by pulling the emergency open lever under the door pocket twice. It can also be used during the normal use. The remote Smart Parking Assist function is a convenient function that helps the driver when parking and pulling the vehicle out. You can use the remote Smart Parking Assist function with the smart key from outside the vehicle. First, press the brake pedal and stop in front of the space you want to park in. Put the gear in drive and press and hold the Parking View button to activate the function. To search for a parking space, leave a space of 0.5 to 1.5 meters from the parked vehicles and drive slowly forward at a speed of 20 kilometers per hour or less. When the parking space search completion message appears on the screen, press the brake pedal to stop and select the parking type and parking method. Following the instructions, put the gear into park, exit the vehicle with the smart key, and close all doors. If you press and hold either the forward or backward button on the smart key, Remote Smart Parking Assist will begin. When the driver releases the button while the Remote Smart Parking Assist function is active, the vehicle will stop and control will be paused. If the driver presses the forward or backward button on the smart key again, the Remote Smart Parking Assist function will resume. When parking is complete, the gear is automatically shifted to park with a parking completion notification. The electronic parking brake is engaged and the engine is turned off. If the space for getting out after parking is too narrow or it is difficult to get into the car, you can conveniently park and enter the vehicle using the remote forward-backward function. First, press the door lock button and then press and hold the remote start button to start the engine. When the vehicle moves to the desired position by pressing the forward or backward button on the smart key, release the button to stop the vehicle. Then, get into the vehicle or press the remote start button on the smart key to complete the operation. When using the remote forward-backward function, if an obstacle is detected, the operation is temporarily stopped, and when the total traveled distance exceeds 14 meters, the operation stops and the vehicle's engine is turned off. The armrest touchscreen is a touch-type operation system that can control convenient functions from the rear seat. A quick double tap on the screen turns on the screen, and you can adjust the climate control, seats, massage, sunshades, lamps, and more. The status of sterilization and wireless charging is displayed on the upper right corner, and a lock function can be activated to prevent erroneous operation by children in the rear seat. You can move to the desired function page with one operation through the left side menu of the screen. For example, if you want to dim the lights after setting the air conditioning to warm, you can enter the lamp screen with a single operation from the air conditioning screen. On the air conditioning screen, you can adjust the desired seat temperature, air speed, air direction, and seat ventilation or heating. On the seat screen, you can adjust the front seats of the vehicle. After touching the cushion of the seat you want to adjust, you can adjust the front and rear position, the height, and the angle of the backrest. In particular, you can adjust the seat to suit the situation by selecting rest mode, audio-visual mode, and reading mode. By touching the return mode, the seat used in the specific mode can be returned to the normal sitting position. On the massage screen, there are 4 massage modes for the whole body, waist, hips, and upper body. And you can set the massage intensity and duration. The foot massage mode can reduce an occupant's foot fatigue by applying pressure to the soles of the feet. To use the foot massage mode, move the passenger seat forward, lower the footrest, and activate the function to receive the foot massage. In the sunshade screen, power sun blinds, and electric door sunshades for the rear seats, and the rear electric sunshade can be raised and lowered. On the lamp screen, you can adjust the brightness of the lighting and the temperature of the lighting color, which allows you to set the lighting mood you want. The Smart Parking Assist function can be used inside the vehicle as a convenience function that helps the driver when parking and pulling the vehicle out. The Smart Parking Assist function can recognize the parking lines and park when there are no vehicles on the left and right side. First, press the brake pedal and stop in front of the space you want to park in. Put the gear in drive and press and hold the parking view button to activate the function. To search for a parking space, leave a space of 0.5 to 1.5 meters from the parking line and drive slowly forward at a speed of 20 kilometers per hour or less. When the parking space search completion message appears on the screen, press the brake pedal to stop and select the parking type and parking method. According to the instructions, press and hold the parking view button, and then release the brake pedal to start the Smart Parking Assist function. The Smart Parking Assist function is activated while the Parking View button is pressed, and control is ceased and the vehicle is stopped when taking your hand off from the button. If you want to resume operation, simply press and hold the Parking View button again. When parking is complete, the gear is automatically shifted to park with a parking completion notification, and the electronic parking brake is engaged. Even when cars are parked on the left and right side, you can use the Smart Parking Assist function in the same manner. For more detailed operation methods and precautions, please refer to the owner's manual.